Good morning. Today's a holy day of obligation, so I'm not in the house. Hello. Went to mass this morning because it's the feast of the Immaculate Conception, so it's a holy day of obligation. Just got out of mass. Well, went to the Adoration Chapel for a little bit. I'm heading home. Gotta send out the meeting agenda because we're meeting today. And I normally set it a day ahead, but I kind of forgot because yesterday was Sunday, and we normally meet on Thursdays. So heading home and gonna have my breakfast and send out the agenda and then probably pack up the gifts. Okay, gonna put everything in their bags for the gifts. Let me show you what I got. So there's these fuzzy cozy socks for everyone. These like hand sanitizers. There's fresh linen, strawberry fizz, pink sugar, and what's this one? Vanilla Dream. These little under eye masks for the girls, and then everyone gets a lip balm, and then I'm gonna throw in some of these candy canes and some high chews, and then they're all gonna be in these bags, and then I'm gonna write the cards, and that's it. All right, gonna pack it up while I watch Sidelined 2. I didn't realize it was out until I think I was watching Basically Unfiltered, and they like did an ad for Tubi and said that Sidelined 2 was out, so I have to watch it. I don't really remember how the first one ended, but I guess we'll watch it.
She says that's the real way to get a dance education. Anyways, how's that? It's good. I'm quite busy after you, but you'll do until I get to see you next. Yeah, that's something you come down here more. Until that free's out yours. Kidding. I'm proud of you for bouncing home. How fun dating me keeps in your full-time job. Your humility is always so refreshing. Can't see you Friday. It's been so long. I forgot what you were doing. Cheer. Can't have that. Because Friday's a whole week away. Yeah, go get it. Peace out. Good. Someday we'll And use that one. I'm on. Yeah. Scoop. Bring back. No worry. On top. Throw. Bye.
I packed up all the bags. I didn't realize. I thought I got 4 of these. It's 3 of these and 1 of these. So now someone's gonna have a different one, which is fine. And these are little cards. Figure out what I'm gonna put in each of them, and then write everybody's names. Hello. We ended up having our meeting a little early because my PI got the times wrong, and so he couldn't meet at the regular time. So we just had like a quick, like honestly 15-minute meeting, but there wasn't that much to share. So finish that up. I have to send out a few emails for our project, and then I'm gonna finish writing the letters or the cards. I just got an email from Irvine, and like it literally is just basic information about like saying like thank you for applying, like make sure you have all your things in. Like we have until the 15th in case we were like missing a recommendation or something. But then at the bottom it says like they're only going to send out 45 emails for to like schedule interviews. And then if you aren't sent, or if you aren't considered for the interview, they'll consider you for masters, which kind of nice, I guess. I don't know. I'm confused by it because last time I applied to Irvine, I don't think I heard a thing from them. Like, I'm pretty sure they were the last ones I heard from when they rejected me. But also, like, I'm pretty sure it was like silent until they were like, there's an update on your portal, and it was rejected. So I kind of like that there's some more information. They say they'll send out, I know when they would send out an email. So if I don't get an email, then I didn't get it. So it's kind of nice. And it seems like they're immediately considering for masters, which is also good. I was talking to my friend about this the other day of like, would I take a master's offer, even though I just did my master's? And I was explaining that the master's I ended up doing is like a professional degree, so it's not a Master of Science. So that would still be different because the Master of Science would be more like research based and can lead to a PhD. So I'm like, potentially, but then that is, and I think it can, like, because it leads to a PhD, it's like not, it'd only be really like an extra year. So I think
the second year or maybe even the first year kind of counts towards your PhD. So I think I would do it, but it's just like a question of like paying for it would be a little rough. But I don't know. I kind of like that they gave more information. That makes me feel better. Anyways, I will send these emails and check back in once I start writing the cards. Okay, I was gonna go to the post office, but then I remembered that we don't have all our Christmas card thingies printed, that I was supposed to print more, and the post office is about to close, so I'm not gonna go today. I'm gonna go tomorrow. Just had my little advent calendar chocolates. I realized I didn't eat one yesterday, so I ate both of them. And then my dog has been like sleeping all day in his little Snoopy house, but he woke up, I guess. And when I grabbed my little calendar, he like sat because he wanted his calendar, so I did give him his little treats. But he's not eating his real food, so I don't know. Maybe now he'll eat it.